Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a perfect outdoor sconce 2-pack if you're trying to spruce up your exterior lighting. These are really cool. So this was sent over by a company called XMCOSY Plus. And they're a really cool device. So once you open it up, like I said, you're going to get a 2-pack. You're going to get some user manual, an easy to read start guide that talks you through the app and all the features. We're going to cover that right here in the video. You're going to get a bag of all the hardware that you need to mount them yourself. I was replacing existing lights, so I really didn't need these, but if you're doing a fresh mount, they work really, really well. And then you get a 2-pack. So I haven't installed the other light just so you get an idea of what it looks like, and then I'll show you as it's installed, and then also when it's all hooked up and how it functions. So this is what it looks like. To give you an idea of the size, it's about 10 inches tall, it's about 4 inches wide, and it's about 4¼ inches in depth. They are super easy to install. Essentially, you're going to have a back plate. This is where you're going to put it onto your junction plate. And then you're going to have the cables. You have a ground and then the black and white cable. Once again, very, very simple to install. It's not going to take you very long at all. There is just connected on the sides via a little Allen wrench, which is included in the hardware bag. And then it's a cool little light. You're going to have a frosted lens, which obviously is going to light up. And then you're going to have an LED at the top and an LEDs at the bottom. So you'll have an up and down glow. They're nice and bright. Now these do utilize the XMCOSY Plus app. Very user-friendly app. Now in this app, you're going to be able to do a ton of features. So first off, you're going to be able to adjust the color temperature. So whether you want it just like that regular white light, whether you want it bright or warm, you can do that. But let's say it's holidays and you're wanting to be festive. You can change the RGB colors. You can make it red. You can make it green. You can even do different scenes and set it up as you wish through that way. The color temperature itself can be adjusted from 2200 Kelvin all the way up to 6500 Kelvin. It's going to put out 2100 lumen. So like I said, it is very nice and bright. It is fully dimmable, so you can find your option. If it's fully on is too bright, you can dim it down if you wish, which is another nice feature of it. You can even sync it through music. So if you are throwing a party, you can have it syncing to music. Now, do keep in mind how it's listening to that music is through your phone. So obviously your phone, if you're throwing a party inside, your lights outside are going to be dancing. But if you have them in the backyard, that looks cool as well. So just do keep that in mind as far as the music syncing. Now you can also schedule a timer. So you can set them up to turn on dusk till dawn. You can set it up to turn on at a certain hour, turn off at a certain hour. It's kind of up to you as far as setting it through that app. They also work with the smart apps out there. So it can work with Alexa and the Google apps if you wish to do and control it via your voice. So you're going to have lots of options as far as controlling the lights themselves. Now, they are designed to be outside because they do have that IP65 weather rating. So they can handle the rain, they can handle the snow, they can handle the dust, they can handle all that fun stuff out there. And they're really nice quality built. They have a nice metal housing with an acrylic lens itself and then the clear lens on the top and the bottom. Really impressed with the build of them. They also have nice little covers on the back side for all the little screw holes. So it is a solid, well-made product, which is something I absolutely like about this one too. But overall, they're really cool, nice-looking, modern-looking sconces. If you're looking to spruce up your lighting around your house and have a ton of features, you can utilize these, and I think they're totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.